Hey everyone, it's Nikki Rowley, and in this video I will be sharing with you how you can purchase your Wix.com hosting and domain name. Let's begin. So the first thing that you'll see is a screen that looks like this when you go to Wix.com. Please don't be alarmed if you notice that the background has changed. They do have a process of where they go ahead and rotate their images in and out, but the main things that you're wanting to pay attention to are get started if you don't have a Wix account, and then sign in if you want to sign in to an existing account. For the purpose of this, I'll go ahead and set us up with a brand new account. So I'll click directly on Get Started. From there, I'll click on Sign Up, and then I'll go ahead and put in an email. So you can go ahead and put in the email address that you want affiliated with your site. You can of course change this later if you want. Then you want to put in a password. Go ahead and make sure that it's at least 8 characters. A combination of numbers and symbols would be best. From there, you can sign up. And then you will notice there may be several pop-ups. You don't have to do anything with these. You can just click on skip. And then you'll see a screen that looks like this. How do you want to create your website? So Wix ADI does it automatically for you. But if you are working with Luxurious Web Design, we're going to be designing it from blank to what you need it to be. So go ahead and select this here for the Wix editor. You'll then see a screen that looks like this. And normally, if you were going to do this on your own, you may select one of these themes that you find attractive that you're wanting to go ahead and put your content into. But again, if you are working with Luxurious Web Design, we're starting from blank, which means it's nothing. So you'll click directly on blank templates, okay? And you're then going to click on Edit. You'll then be taken into the Wix editor. Once the editor fully comes up, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You may notice that there are pop-ups that show, but you can go ahead and click on the X. The only thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Publish, okay? Then from there you can name it something like My Site or whatever you feel as if it's appropriate, and you can click on Save and Continue. Now you might be asking, okay, why did we just do this? And the reason why is in the process of purchasing a domain name and hosting, you do have to first create a website that you want that hosting and domain name affiliated with. Wix doesn't allow you to buy a hosting account or a domain name without first creating something. So even if this is something that you already have created, you may already have tried Wix out before and you're logging in, or perhaps just if this is the first time, you have to have something there first. It is important to know that if you do, let's say, buy your hosting account or domain name and you have it tied to an old Wix account, you're not really happy with the design, don't worry, I can reassign that hosting and that domain name to your new website. So going back to this, you can then click on Done. Then from there, you'll click on Done again, and then you will go back to the page that you were on before, okay, and you're going to click on My Sites. Now it's going to take you to, okay, a section that looks like this, which will contain all of your websites. So I'll click X here, and what I'll then do is I will click on the Upgrade Now, and this is going to allow us to assign a domain name and of course the hosting, and you'll select which one you want. So there are differentiations between the plans. I would recommend that if you need an informational website, something without a store, you select combo. But if you do need a store, you have to select the e-commerce plan. So don't buy any of these here thinking that you're going to be able to add the Wix store. You can't. So what I'll do is I'll click right here on combo. Then from there I'll sign up for whichever duration I want, and then I'll click on select again. And then I will go through the process of purchasing. And then for the combo plan, it did come with the domain name. So as you can see here, it shows you everything that you're getting. Now, if you already do have your domain name and you're not wanting to use the free domain name, don't worry, you can go ahead and keep it. You can use it for something else. The only issue is with that lower level plan before combo, and I'll take you back to that, okay, is It only allows you to connect the domain name, but it has ads that shows. So definitely do not ever select this plan here. It won't look as professional. You have to get the combo plan. So once you've identified exactly what plan you want and the duration, you will then go through the process of checking out, and you have completed the Wix signing up for your website hosting and domain name process.